Hello everyone, welcome to another makeup tutorial. I am beyond excited for today's look. And as you can see, today's main colors will be deep blue and purple colors. So let's jump into this tutorial. So I already have mixture of PLouise bases number 0 and 3 as always. But before we continue, I just want to mention that today's contact lenses are from brand DTLI in shade Polar Light Gray. And for more Polar Light series information from this brand, you can check out my channel coming up next Monday. Before I move to an actual pigment, I'm starting off by highlighting my eye using Pillow Talk shade from Stacey Marie and BPerfect Carnival palette. First shade that I'm using is from NYX Midnight Chaos palette, and this is actually their beautiful purple color, matte color. Going right into my crease with blending brush, reapplying this color a couple of times. Another palette that I love a lot, actually I love all of these series from Huda Beauty Obsessions palette that I have. They are one of the best actually that I've tried so far when it comes to color choice and the textures. I really do like those palettes. By the way, they're so small, so convenient for travel, and I think the amount of shades is really good. So anyways, I use this cold purple color using bullet brush first, and then reapplied that color with blending brush on top of previous color. Then moving forward with this lighter shade. The hue of this shade is actually different, and this shade is also lighter than the previous one. So combination of these two colors is always beautiful no matter what I do. Now I'm back with the first color from Carnival palette just to lighten up a little bit the under brow bone area. And after that I took this shade from NYX Ultimate Palette and just blended the lightest purple shade kind of to blend better with the previous light shade. Going back to NYX Ultimate Palette, and I chose this deep purple color. So to achieve more depth I went lower. Still I had to make sure that I don't go too high with this color to undo everything that I've done before with lighter shades of purple. Now I made mixture of Inglot Duraline with AMC Gel Eyeliner in number 77. The reason why I didn't use just eyeliner on its own is because this Duraline will make this liner more liquid and it's easier to blend and to have smoother transition, because again we are working with different textures. First we have eyeshadows and now we have gel liner, on top of which we will apply pigments, and we have to combine everything to look seamlessly. When you're doing this, just imagine if you're doing cut crease, how would you do that cut crease? So for me, to easier way to explain this is I'm doing cut crease, but this is actually kind of reverse one. Again, I use NYX Glitter Primer before I apply today's pigment. And speaking of today's pigment, look how stunning this one is. Wow, this is another pigment from Tammy Tanuka from Chromatic series called Favour, and it shifts in such a beautiful way. I think this one is the most shifting that I actually have. Again, depending how light hits this pigment, that way it will reflect. Now I'm slowly tapping on top of everything that I've done with flat brush. And then when it comes to edges, I took a smaller brush just to be precise with those edges, and took even smaller brush to blend everything. As you can see, we have a big transition here, so now I have to make a seamless transition. So I'm using same pigment with a small brush and just working around the edge. Now with the black matte eyeshadow, I'm covering outer portion of my eyelid just to make more depth to my eye. Once I'm done with that, I'm using same base for underneath my eye. But look how this upper part of the eye ended up being sharp. Now I'm practically using same colors here, and first color that I have here, using that specific color on 2/3 of my eyelids, moving back to other purple eyeshadows that I've used so far, just layering one shade after the other. For the end, I added up more black matte eyeshadow. So after I finished curling my eyelashes and adding some mascara, I went with Ardell Naked Eyelashes in style 421. This is my current favorite style of eyelashes. They are so beautiful looking, natural. And also I added up a little piece just on the edge of these eyelashes to make it a little bit more thicker. For my waterline, I used Extacy and Ibiza colors from Acid Rain collection from brand PLouise. And the shade that I actually now have here is that I've used AMC Gel Liner 77 into my upper waterline and just put a little bit of that eyeliner in inner corner of my eye to make it look really sharp. Once again, thank you for watching my videos, thank you for your support, and as always, I will see you in my next one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!